Documenting the injuries is key to your personal injury case. And the way you document your injuries, it's really twofold. Number one, you follow the doctor's advice. If the doctor says, I need to see you 2 times a week for a month, and then we'll reevaluate. If the doctor prescribes physical therapy for a month, and then we'll reevaluate. If you don't show up to the appointments with the doctor or with the physical therapist or whomever else he sends you to, then you're not documenting your injury. Because every time you go to a doctor or a therapist or a hospital, they make a record. And so the record is the proof. A lot of people think, well, I hurt. Why should I have to go back to the doctor? He said there's not much he can do. There's a lot he can do. You may have interpreted it, there's not much you can do, but there's a lot. There are pain management techniques that doctors have now that weren't available early on. Document by treating. Follow your doctor's advice. A lot of people will go to the doctor, maybe they're seeing the doctor twice a week. And because they've seen the doctor twice a week for the last month, they don't go in and say, my back continues to hurt, I continue to have pain down my leg, I continue to experience dizziness. They go in and the doctor says, how you doing? I'm about the same, doc. And so the doctor doesn't make a note of everything that's going on. So each and every time you go to the doctor, you have to outline everything that's happening, that's still happening, even though you've talked about it before. The second thing is to keep a diary. Get a spiral bound notebook. Each day, write something in the diary. Something about your ability to be mobile, to operate without pain, to go to work, to do things around the house. Things that the accident has affected you that you may not think of when you have an appointment to go over that with the lawyer. But if you're doing it every day, you can refer back to that notebook.